Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water.
Mango.
Good morning from Barcelona.
From Barcelona.
We got here this morning. I was literally doing a workout with Amanda on the deck and I saw the port, the city, everything. It was fabulous. There's Rick. Rick is recovering from sickness right now,
yes.
But he's here. He made it.
It's terrible.
We just came back from this market. I forget the name of it, but Nicole got a smoothie. Juice. So good. Yeah, they had like everything that you can think.
We got the sauce, man.
We got the sauce.
Pastry covered in powdered sugar.
Taste test.
Okay. Ready?
Oh no. 10 out of 10. I would recommend.
What do you think? What do you think?
I'm excited for some cereal.
Oh my god, we're about to mess these up.
Look at that. What is this? Got a little poop on it.
Hey, yo, what is that one behind it?
Dude, we just ran.
Dude, these are good. Dude, these are so good.
We just ran.
Good thing.
My feet hurt. Can we do a Nutella one? I found this place on TikTok. It's called Damasi, I think. Look at cool guy. They're known for their cinnamon rolls. This whole video is probably just gonna be me eating food the whole time, but I'm okay with that. We're in Barcelona. We can do that.
Oh, first taste, guys.
Are we cheersing?
Yeah, we're like butchering this.
Cheers.
Since I've come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way I like to dress.
These were my whole entire childhood. Did anybody else play with Playmobil? Comment down below. I just got back on the ship from being in port. Some of us came back early and then others stayed at the shopping market. I wanted to do a haul of what I got today. The only store that I bought actual clothes from was Brandy Melville. The rest of the day I just bought a bunch of food, as you guys saw. I also did not show this, but we did get churros. Churros are a really big thing here in Spain, apparently. Oh my gosh, we had a caramel one, a Nutella one, a tart one, and then just like a regular one. But I bought a bunch of clothes from Brandy Melville. And first off, I got this super cozy, kind of gives me college girl studying vibe sweater. Looks like this. It has that distressed neck, so it's gonna fall off the shoulder. Starting up spring semester, it's gonna be freezing, probably throughout the whole entire spring term. I'm gonna definitely be wearing that. Next, I got this little white lace bra tank top. How cute is the detail on this? I just love dainty pieces, and Brandy Melville has the best staples. So if you're ever looking for something that you can wear with sweats or even just a cute night PJ set, definitely go to Brandy and get yourself one of them. Then I got a t-shirt. I really like the way that these t-shirts from Brandy Melville fit. So it just says 14. Navy blue is one of my favorite colors. 2 more items. This is kind of a muscle crop tank. And then last but not least, the front looks like this. And then the back, there's string that you can tie to kind of cinch your waist and really just, you know, shape your body. Very, very good haul from Brandy Melville today. I was thoroughly impressed. I love the fact that everybody who went out with us today loves thrifting and also shopping like regular mainstream lines. So we kind of get like the mix of both, and then kind of ending it at the flea market with a bunch of random stuff, old books, trinkets, everything you could think of. It was a really, really good day today. I'm gonna do some reading on the ship. So excited because tomorrow we're going to a hospital. I think it's a rehabilitation hospital. The class is health and wellness, so we're gonna be interacting with a lot of people. Really excited about it. Anyways, I'm done rambling. I will see you guys later.
Like 40 minutes before.
Good morning. Day 3 in Barcelona. Yesterday I had my field class and it was so much fun, but I'm not gonna lie, I was very exhausted. I'm getting a necklace. Got some gold little bracelets and they're all like gold plated. She said they were vintage. Robin, let's see the ring that you got.
I got a ring like this.
I love the ring. He's been looking for one like that.
For years. Yeah.
For years. And we're gonna meet up with Robin's friend from where?
She's from Svalbard. It's like where the polar bears live.
Ooh. eating at this place called Honest Greens for lunch, and I'm gonna get salmon because I haven't had fish in a long time. And
I don't know what to get. Should I get the chicken or ginger honey goat?
very good. This museum is beautiful, but you know me, we're getting a treat. So I got this little strawberry parfait deal. So excited. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna call my friend back at home.
Literally just eating, and I was like, let's go support Caro. And I was watching your video, that's why I didn't answer.
So excited to go back to Goldstein's and Caffeina. Day 4, which was our last and final day here in Barcelona, was well spent. I was on Airbnb and I found this experience called cooking paella, which is a very, very famous dish here in Spain. So I sent it to my girls and we decided to do a girls' day. To begin, we each put on an apron. This dish dealt with a lot of oil, seafood, meats, so we wanted to make sure that we had something covering our clothes. I can't say enough good things about this experience. Sarah, who was the host, had this beautiful, beautiful home that she welcomed us into, and being able to learn and cook with her made every single dollar worth it. Not to mention, there was white wine, red wine available. She had lots of tapas, and then finally the food was ready. This was so delicious, and just to show how much of an amazing host she was, she brought out fruit, cakes, coffee. It was the best experience ever. To end our final hour in Barcelona before we got back on the ship and started our route on the way to Greece, my friends and I got gelato. Surprise, surprise, we all have the biggest sweet tooths. It's kind of a problem. We just love the finer things in life.
Chocolate, strawberry sorbet.
And lemon and raspberry.
Oh,
and that just happens to be sweets.